final part, what we're going to do is add a logo down to the bottom right-hand side of this ad, and then our ad will be finished. So with this section, we are going to get a logo from the internet. I know that Extra's logo kind of has the eat, drink, chew extra. So I'm going to try and get a copy of that I can put down the bottom. So again, I'm going to go back to the internet, Google Images, and I'm just going to type in extra, eat, drink, chew. And this logo here probably is a really nice, good one to use. I'm looking for a nice, clean, crystal clear image. And again, I need to right click and save the image to my desktop. Once I've done that, I want to minimize Photoshop so that I can find the image on my desktop and drag it back into Photoshop. It's going to open now in a new tab, and I'm just going to grab it with my marquee tool. And I haven't got it all. So if you do make the wrong selection, just press Command D and then try again, because I want to make sure I get the whole logo included. And I think I've missed the top bit again, so let's try once more. Probably could zoom in to make this a lot easier, but here we go. Command C to copy. Go back to my ad and press Command V. Now it's really little here in the middle, so I might zoom in. And I'm going to grab my Move tool. And again, hold Shift so that I can make this logo bigger. So I'm just going to zoom out until I get it to the right size, and then I can move it into position and play around. Might actually make that smaller. So it will be a little bit fuzzy at this point. When I'm done and hit enter, it will be a lot clearer. So I'm probably going to place it there, and then I can hit enter. So now I've got my finished ad with my product, my logo, a background that actually has some design elements to it that are based off the product, and particularly these bubbles that are incorporated. We've got our drop shadows and our outer glows on our text that really make this stand out and a little bit more eye-catching. So well done. Make sure you save your work.